Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, if you have Canon Pixma printer, the model number iX6840 or 6820, in somehow if the printer is not recognizing the cartridges, like if you whenever you fix the cartridge, there's a light on the cartridge. If I show you, just hold on. These are the cartridges. Okay, whenever you enter the insert the cartridge, and sorry, okay, when you insert the cartridge, suppose there is a light on the cartridge, it should blink, it should turn on. It means that cartridge is connected successfully with the ink carriage. This is a carriage. Okay, sometimes there are small points. If I mention with my user, somehow these points got disturbed or got damaged, then the cartridge not gonna recognize by the printer. So in this video I am going to teach you, if whenever your printer got this problem, these pins, you have to replace the pin because you cannot repair it. And these four inks, there are four separate connectors like this. You can get it from AliExpress or from eBay. Right now we purchase from AliExpress these connectors, and if you want to replace these connectors, very hard. So after disassemble the top cover, any one of you can easily disassemble the top cover. There are four locks, two on the left side and two on the right side. Then the top cover you can disassemble. I just a while ago disassembled the top cover. Okay, I just want to show you what I ordered from China. All these connectors. Right now we have just one of them got damaged. This one, if you will see, there is a one pin got damaged here. Yeah, this pin, you can, it's visible. This pin got damaged. Then we ordered from China these all parts, all connectors, and also you can replace this down the ink carriage. It can be replaceable easily. Okay, but right now we will not replace this. I already removed this one from the printer and fix a new one. Okay, now whenever you want to change this, you have to disassemble the top cover. Then you have to remove this front panel. It's a iron panel. There are two screws here. One is connected with the ground cable, also remove. And there are two. Okay, to move these two screws from here, one screw with this Wi-Fi card, remove this screw also from here, and one on the right side. And then there are two springs down there. Also release these two springs from here. Then you will be able to release that front panel, that iron panel. Okay, so what to do? Second thing, this connector is connected with that way. Okay, so there is a lock right on the top. It's connected like this, and here is a tiny lock. You have to release it with the help of tweezer from the upper side. Okay, you have to lift this up and then push from here. When you lift this up and push from here, it will release and fall down. Then you can place another one with your fingers. So it's a little tricky. If you are a technician, you can do it easily. I think not a big deal. Main thing, you have to order these all connectors from China or any other sources in the local market if you have. That is a spring I was talking about, that was connected with this. It was connected here. Okay, we will fix back again. So this is a total process to change the cartridge points, or you can say cartridge connection that is connected with the ink carriage. If you have anything else regarding any other printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best. Subscribe.